Welcome to another Dell Corporation Quality Management System training presentation. QMSP 7.5.3-002 Control of Drawings. QMSP 7.5.3-002 Control of Drawings establishes and defines the controls required for the identification, distribution, and control of drawings associated with the sales and product realization processes. Drawings used for sales and/or product realization activities shall be controlled by the organization to ensure adequacy prior to release. This document will outline the controls required for the following: review and approval, identification, release of drawings, revision management, and availability. Drawings required for the sales and/or product realization processes shall be reviewed and/or approved prior to issue. Sales drawings, concept drawings shall be approved by the President or appointed representative prior to release. Drawings used for sales activities shall be appropriately designated by the following methods. Revision level prefix D, for example, D1, D2. Stamped or otherwise identified on the drawings as concept and/or noted in customer correspondence as concept drawings. Figure 1 represents the process flow for the approval and release of concept drawings for sales activities. Designers complete or revise drawings, the drawings are submitted to the President or designated representative, then a decision on whether the drawings are approved. If yes, the drawings are released. If no, the drawings are sent back for revision. Product realization drawings. Drawings used for product realization activities shall be reviewed and approved prior to issue. Product realization drawings review shall be accomplished by the Vice President of Operations or the Fabrication Manager or their appointed representative. Once reviewed, drawings may be released for approval activities. Approval of product realization drawings shall be accomplished by the President, Engineering and Design Manager or appointed representative. Once approved, drawings are submitted to the Quality Manager or appointed representative for drawing control activities. Figure 2 represents the process flow for the review, approval, and release of drawings for product realization activities. Designers complete drawings, they are then submitted for review. Are the drawings approved? Decision. If yes, submit to the President or the Engineering Manager. If no, they are sent back for revision and the process starts over. It's over. If submitted to the President or the Engineering Manager or appointed representative, are they approved? If yes, the drawings are sent back to the designers to finalize. If no, the process starts all over again. If sent to be finalized, they are then submitted for control activities and released. Drawings generated by Dell Corporation for sales and/or product realization activities shall be identified, at a minimum, with the following: document identification, drawing date, drawn, checked, and approved by signature or initial blocks, as applicable, document revision, and revision history. Drawings shall only be released after review and approval activities have been satisfactorily accomplished. Concept drawings shall be released to the customer representative after approval by a relevant authority. Product realization drawings shall only be released after the review and approval process has been satisfactorily accomplished and a control stamp been added by the Quality Manager or appointed representative. An ECO, engineering change order, or other documented method shall be initiated when it is determined that a change to a product must be made and a revision to a drawing is required. Inventor. Engineering change request for drawings accomplished in AutoCAD shall be made by documented submission. Records shall be maintained for all engineering change requests. Revisions to concept or product realization drawings shall be documented on the affected drawing to include the following: revision number, date of revision, drawn by, reviewed or checked by, approved by, client approval, as required, and description of change. Proposed changes in design during the product realization process, where it is time prohibitive to initiate an ECO and revise drawings accordingly, may be accomplished by redlining drawings. Red lines may be used to document product changes where delays could negatively impact meeting customer requirements. Changes in drawings using red lines must be approved by a relevant authority prior to implementing the proposed change. Include the name of the approving authority. Include the date of the change. And describe the nature of the change. When product realization drawings are revised, obsolete drawings must be replaced with the revised drawings accompanied by the documented design change. Providing the documented change requirements provides detailed information on the nature of the change to personnel potentially impacted by the revision. In such cases where information has already been documented on drawings such as red lines or weld maps, the information does not have to be transferred to the new drawing. However, the existing or previously documented drawing shall be maintained as record. Concept drawings, considered design drawings, have D1 as the initial concept design designation. Any subsequent changes in concept drawing shall be designated as D2, D3, etc., accordingly. Product realization drawings initial release will have a revision designation of 1. The initial release is confirmed by the documented review and approval. Any subsequent changes in product realization drawings shall be designated revision 2, 3, etc., accordingly. Drawings are made available, hard copy, at points of use and are maintained throughout the product realization process. It is the document user's responsibility, prior to use, to ensure drawings have been reviewed, approved, and released for use. Revision status and changes are clearly identified, are legible and readily identifiable, and are specific to the project or product. Drawings may also be made available as PDF files, maintained, and accessed in the respective job folders on the server. However, it is the user's responsibility to ensure proper revision level and proper controls. Drawings used for product realization activities shall only be used if properly controlled and released as designated with the control stamp. Uncontrolled drawings are not permitted for use for product realization activities. The organization shall maintain records, documented information, in regards to drawings for the following. Design change documentation. Documents used to communicate design change requirements shall be maintained as record. Customer approval. Documents used to demonstrate customer design or design change approval, as required, shall be retained as record. And traceability. Drawings used to document critical information, as required by contract, such as red lines, MTR or HT numbers, and weld maps shall be retained as record. If you have any questions about this or other quality management system documents, please contact Danny at deltank.com. Call or text to 337-224-2873, or stop by for a conversation. And remember, control of drawings is extremely important to the efficiency of the product realization process. But do you know what else is extremely important? The Buffalo Bills. Go Bills.